Watch how I turn this $5 Goodwill canvas into a brand new, beautiful masterpiece in just a couple of days. Welcome. Please like and subscribe for more art content just like this. Step 1 is always cleaning. I use rubbing alcohol for this and then a microfiber cloth, and I make sure I get every nook and crevice. Then we're going to gesso the canvas because you don't know what's on that surface and you want your paint to stick. So give it a good healthy layer, if not 2 or 3 layers, to make sure that you've got a really good foundation. I used Procreate and Canva to create a quick little rendering, like an inspiration image. I really wanted to do sunflowers and a fox, and if you know me, you know I'm absolutely obsessed with foxes and wildlife, and a lot of my paintings are wildlife centered. So I thought sunflowers would be really pretty to go with it. They were also my great-grandpa's like favorite flower, and so I have a thing for sunflowers. And then foxes are like another representation of one of my other grandpas, so maybe this is a grandpa painting. I don't know. It just felt right. So I really wanted to get some deep blues in the background, and you definitely do see me using my hose on this canvas because I am all about like drippy, wet, like crazy chaos backgrounds. I think the more chaos you put into it, the more fun it ends up being in the long run. You also know that I love me a good Posca marker, and so I brought those in to get some good outlines and get some really good like base acrylic colors. I am a fine detail girly, so I love doing these little itty bitty tiny hairs when I do animals, and maybe that's why I really like painting animals, because of the fine hair. I don't know. But I did that, and then I was in pride mood, and so I decided, like, why not throw a rainbow on this? I feel like it's really appropriate, so I popped a rainbow on him because why not? And also gold leaf or silver leaf is one of my go-tos for finishing things up, and this is my end result. So I think it came out really cool. What do you guys think?